Where's that Kevin? Is he? I can't see him. Okay, so he's going to lose today. Yep. He's gonna try beat me, but I won't even try today. But I'll beat him no questions asked. Okay. Have a great day. Number 1. Thank you very much. And signing off for another day. The best part of the day is leaving the shop, and then you can do what you want.
Fantastic.
Okay,
good.
Yeah.
Oh, are you filming him leaving? Is that a good enough camera?
Yeah, it's good. It's great.
Okay. I'll text you, man. Don't worry. Just keep on your phone. I'm taking him first. Then I'm going to drop him off with Ontash. Then Ontash is going to meet up with you. So you're going to be the last guy, and we'll come back here around 8:15, 8:30. Is that okay? 8:15, 8:30.
I say quarter 2. So I'll leave West Van around 8.